It looks like last term at the English language school was pretty exciting. Let's keep it up this term. I'm Zuzana. I am going to be your Student Engagement Center instructor, and this is Simon Says. I would like to welcome all the new students at the English language school and hello again to students who are returning. The turnaround between the terms has been extremely quick, so I hope you had a little bit of chance to relax and unwind and get ready for the new term. The weather is gorgeous. As you can see behind me, the trees have already lost their leaves, so we are definitely getting ready for the winter. You can find the Student Engagement Center at the Enterprise Square in L300 area, and it's available to you every day. You can come here to hang out, to meet with some friends, but also to get some academic support. You can find all the important information in the Student Center blog. The blog is pretty cool. You can check it out for this term's schedule. You can find Student Center online lessons in there. You can also see some pictures from our adventures and activities. I have added the Student Center blog into your e-class so you can easily find it. If you're wondering how to get a little bit of a head start this term, then I've got an answer for you. Join me this week in some Student Center activities and workshops. We are starting right away on a Monday with a reading club from 1 to 2. Come and join me in person or even online on Zoom. We have a great collaboration with Frontier College volunteers who will read with you and help you with your reading skills and reading comprehension. On Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday in our workshops we are focusing on improving your skills. Usually these workshops are academically focused, but in the Conversation Club we have a nice time for a chat and to get to know some new friends and get to know some new people. And what is new this term? The online students who are studying from China or Japan or Korea or anywhere in the world can join us for workshops in the morning Edmonton time. We are going to have workshops on Wednesday and Thursday Edmonton time at 8 o'clock. So this should be pretty suitable for students who are abroad who might not be able to join us for regular 1 o'clock activity. Finally, I am not alone at the Student Engagement Center. There is somebody you should definitely meet. Hi Vicky!
Hi everyone, I am Vicky and this is Simon. If you see us at the school, that's me. It's picture time! So please show me your biggest, shyest and lovely smile from me so that I can share it on our social media platforms. So many people might wonder, who am I and what can I do for you at the school? I am the social media expert, but I also often help in contributing the SEC content like workshop or activities. But the most important role for me is being the person who you can communicate with if you have any questions or concerns. I was an EAP student a few years ago, so I can totally understand how you feel and the things you are stressed about. So please feel free to talk with me in person or send a mail to me if you are not in Edmonton. It doesn't have to be related to academic, like you can ask me anything, like life tips if you are new in here, study tips, or even just hang around during the break time or after school, anytime. But I also can give some suggestion to you regarding academic, like your essays or anything related. You can find me in the SEC office and I will always be here for you whenever you need me. Okay, now, so your first assignment is to stop by during the break time and say hi to Zuzana and I. We will give you a little tiny prize if you complete the task. And yeah, so that is all about me from the SEC, and I hope you know me more than before. And yeah, I find the class. See ya!
I'll see you at the Student Center. And this was Simon Says. And don't forget, the Student Engagement Center is worth 10% of your coursework mark.